Nothing can stop me, I'm all the way up. All the way up.
Hey guys, Troy up here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a roasting video such as my videos on here, on my channel. So the first thing you do is, you need to go, if this loads, you need to download an app called Mobizen. It's the one right here next to, on the left of Waffle Run. You also need an app called InShot, which is left of Fruit Ninja, if you can see it. And those are pretty much the two apps you need, I think. And if you want to use your intro, like I'm going to do in this video, you need this app, Video Tools. Or you can use Mobizen, but mine doesn't work with Mobizen, so you have to use Video Tools. So what you need to do is you need to go to Chrome, and hold on. And all you need to do is go to Google Images right here and search up someone like, let's say, let's just say search up Leafy is here, and just like, let's say, use this picture right here. By the way, I will be making a roasting video about Leafy. So then all you gotta do, like, let's say, just click it, and then you click the Mobizen thing, where if you click the app, and that'll pop up, and then this little M on the side of my screen will pop up, and then you click it, and then click the camera button on the bottom when you're on the picture. And then once you do that, it'll be saved into your gallery and all that stuff. Then you go back, and let's see, just click, and then just go here and click it again. Hold on. And just click it again. Oh my gosh. Click. And then you click the M. And then click the camera button. And then when you're, let's say that's the end of the roast, so you're gonna just click to InShot.
Yeah.
My gosh. My baby brother and sister are here. And once you're in InShot, all you have to do is click Video, Photo Shot. You have to click Video. Wait, no, wrong thing. That's later. But what you need to do then is go to your gallery. You go to your gallery. You just click gallery. And then when you see the M logo, let's just say pick up. And just click it and then press record. Click on a picture like let's say this, like you click on a picture and then you pause, press pause, go to the next one, then do it again, and keep going until you're done. And I'll put an example up for you later. And then when you're done, you just go to InShot. And there's this sound file that you have on. And then once you're here, you just click a video. And let's say I want this one, and click this one. I already edited all these, so just click a video.
Bruh, look at this dude.
And once you're done, you click the screen size, and then you can trim your video, fit your video, blur it, put music. This is what I want to do. You click music, and let's, yep.
Bruh, look at this dude. Bruh.
And it
Look at
shoots
this
it.
dude. Wait till you see the.
And then when you're done, you click that. And then you press save. And if you don't want to press save, you could do stickers. Like you could just put stickers and all that.
Oh, no.
Then yeah, and then you just press save. I'm not going to save this video because I can. And yeah, that's how you do it. I'm going to be putting up a sample in 3, 2, 1.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head.